Hello and welcome back to Byte to Bank, your go-to channel for mastering AI and finance to build real wealth. Today, we are going to explore how smart people are using artificial intelligence to generate passive income, money that keeps coming in even when you are not actively working. This is not some futuristic dream. These methods are happening right now, and you can start using them today. So, if you want to stop trading your precious time for money and build smarter income streams, then this video is for you. First, let us clarify what passive income really means in the AI era. Passive income does not mean zero effort. Instead, it means upfront work or setup that lets your income flow automatically after that. What makes AI different is that it massively reduces the time, effort, and skill barriers needed to build these income streams. Instead of months or years, you can create digital products, content, or automated services in days or even hours. Smart people are leveraging AI as a force multiplier, building systems that work for them 24/7. One of the most popular ways to make passive income with AI is through digital products. Think ebooks, workbooks, templates, planners, courses, and more. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you create content at lightning speed. Tools like Canva or Midjourney can produce professional designs. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website become your... For example, someone recently created a niche meal planner for busy parents, all written by AI and made over $3,000 in a couple of months without spending a dime on ads. The key was using AI to create SEO-friendly content and pin-worthy social media posts to drive traffic. These products become digital real estate, earning money repeatedly without you having to do extra work. Next, let us talk about a method that is exploding right now: automated faceless YouTube channels. You do not need a fancy camera or to show your face. Using AI, you can generate scripts with ChatGPT, produce natural-sounding voiceovers with 11 Labs or Descript, and create videos with Pictory or Invent. Pick niches like tech news, finance quotes, or motivational content, and use AI to pump out consistent videos. Thanks to YouTube Shorts, you can scale faster than ever. Once your channel reaches monetization, you start earning from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, all while you sleep. Many creators report making $1,000 or more per month after just 2-3 months of consistent AI-driven uploads. If you prefer services over products, AI can still help you build semi-passive income streams. Freelancers and agencies are using AI writing tools like Jasper or Copy AI to deliver content 5 to 10 times faster. Designers use AI art generators for quick visuals. Combine this with automation platforms like Zapier and Calendly for and you can take on more clients without the usual workload increase. Package your services as monthly subscriptions or retainers. Let AI handle the bulk of the work. You supervise, edit, and deliver. This approach turns active freelancing into a semi-passive business. Now, a more advanced but lucrative way smart people use AI is through automated trading bots. Platforms like Bitscape3 and Tradisanta allow you to deploy AI-enhanced trading strategies for cryptocurrencies and stocks. These bots monitor markets 24/7 and execute trades based on patterns and signals AI detects faster than humans ever could. But a word of caution: automated trading requires education and risk management. It is not set and forget. You must monitor and optimize your bots regularly. Still, many smart investors generate consistent passive income by combining AI trading bots with sound portfolio strategies. Affiliate marketing remains a proven method to earn passive income, and AI is making it easier than ever. Use AI to generate content for blogs, product reviews, email newsletters, and social media posts. AI tools optimize your SEO and craft compelling calls to action. You can build a website or YouTube channel that attracts visitors organically, turning clicks into commissions automatically. Smart affiliates leveraged AI to scale content creation and outreach, turning affiliate marketing into a nearly hands-off business. So, there you have it. Real, practical ways smart people are using AI to make passive income today. From digital products to YouTube automation, from AI-powered services to trading bots and affiliate marketing, the opportunity is vast. The secret: start small, experiment, and use AI as your assistant to build systems that keep working for you long after the initial setup. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge finance and AI tips, and share this video with someone who wants to unlock new income streams. Thanks for watching Byte to Bank. See you in the next video.